In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Instants in Instagram. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to make sure Instants are visible in your inbox, so you don't miss quick messages or updates designed to show up there. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Everything we're about to do happens inside the app's settings, so you don't need any extra tools or accounts. Once the app is open, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of the screen. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can access all the controls for your account. Next, look toward the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This opens the main menu where Instagram groups many of its settings and preferences. From here, you'll be able to reach the section that controls what content you see and how it appears. Now, scroll down until you find Content Preferences. This is the area that lets you fine-tune what shows up around the app, including your inbox. Go ahead and tap Content Preferences to open it. You're in the right place when you see options that focus on visibility and how certain content types are displayed. Inside Content Preferences, look toward the bottom for a box related to Instants. You should see an option labeled something like Hide Instants in Inbox along with a toggle. The label can be a little confusing, so here's the key. If the toggle is turned on for Hide Instants, Instants will be hidden. If you want to turn on and show Instants in your inbox, make sure that Hide option is switched off. Tap the toggle so that Instants are allowed to appear. Once you've done this, the change takes effect right away, and Instants should be visible in your inbox going forward. That's all there is to it. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu icon, enter Content Preferences, and adjust the Hide Instants toggle so Instants show up. If you don't see the Instants option in Content Preferences, don't worry. Features can roll out gradually and sometimes appear at different times for different devices or regions. Also, interface labels can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. Find Content Preferences and use the Instants toggle to control visibility. With that setting adjusted, you're set to receive Instants directly in your inbox just the way you want. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated Instagram experience.